The Pixel 8 has barely had time to settle in, but the rumor mill is already buzzing with early glimpses of the upcoming Pixel 9. Leakers have shared some renders that give us a sneak peek at what Google might have in store for its next flagship phone. Let's start with the Pixel 9 Pro. The first thing that catches the eye is its flat edges, a design choice that seems to be giving off some iPhone vibes. While flat frames are nothing new, it's becoming a bit repetitive across the industry. Moving on to the rear camera bar, Google seems to be switching things up. Instead of stretching it across the entire width of the phone, they've gone for a bulging oval-shaped island, reminiscent of the Pixel Fold. The device is expected to be 8.5 millimeters thin, but the camera bump will add about 50%, measuring 12 millimeters at its most prominent point. The display is slightly smaller, coming in at 6.5 inches. Flipping to the front, you'll notice symmetrical screen bezels, a welcome touch. There's a single-hole punch cutout for the selfie camera in the top middle section of the screen. The power button and volume rocker remain on the right side of the device, while the SIM card slot seems to have moved to the bottom, alongside the Type-C port. Google has traditionally used an aluminum frame, but there's speculation that they might switch to a titanium alloy, following Apple and Samsung's lead. As for the vanilla Pixel 9, it sports a more compact design. The renders suggest a design that's somewhat reminiscent of the iPhone 15. The rear camera module has been redesigned but retains that distinct Pixel phone look. While details about the camera sensors are scarce, it's rumored to have 3 rear cameras, including a telephoto lens. While we're still in the dark about most technical specifications, these early renders suggest that Google might be giving the Pixel 9 a sharper design to stand out in a crowded smartphone market. Google's next move is certainly worth keeping an eye on. With the Samsung Galaxy S24 and the iPhone 16 on the horizon,